Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's Fashionable Beauty Box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my January 2020 box from Fashionable Beauty. I did purchase a 3-month subscription, so this is now my second box. I have this nice gold box this time, and there is a note taped to the front, and it says special edition. We are incredibly sorry for the issues you had last month. Here are 8 items in a special gold box. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to fix this. So that is awesome. I think they normally put in 4 to 5 items, and they put in 8. So that is crazy. They only were supposed to put in 2 extra items, but I appreciate that. So right off the bat, oh, and it says, it's on a thank you note, and it says not sent from my phone because it's handwritten. That's awesome. So I do appreciate that they did put in extra items on top of that. So, I mean, I do commend them for that because they are rectifying it and making it correct. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. So now, if you are joining me for the first time with this box, there will be more items in this specific box because they're making up for my mistake from last month's box. So if you were to order, you would not be getting all 8 items, you would be getting 4 to 5. But let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is all in here. And yeah, I'm really excited. Now they did want to send me replacements last month after I was emailing them, but I insisted that they waited and just sent them this month because I was already gonna get this box because again, I bought a 3-month subscription. So I don't want them to waste more shipping to send me something when I'm gonna get one anyways this month. So they wanted to send me something last month, and I told them, please just send it with my normal box to cut down on shipping because I greatly appreciate them fixing the issue. So that's why they're in this box. So there is a paper right there that's gonna go over all of our items, and it's in this nice gold box, gold tissue paper. Ooh. And then when you open it up, it's all wrapped in bubble wrap. So they do take very good care of wrapping their box. And they also have this box inside of a bigger box filled with the little peanuts, but I knew they had another box inside, so I opened the outer box and just brought this in. So let's go ahead and remove that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and it says Happy New Year 2020, and it has all of the pricing on here, so that's great. I can add that up at the end of the video. So let's just go ahead and start diving in. So this is Natural Life, and on the back of this, it says $22. Now I do have to let you guys know, if you watched my Instagram yesterday, then you would have known that I just added to this arm. So this arm is now, like, you can see my through the Sanoderm right now. I have to change this tonight, but I really wanted to sit down and film first before I feel the painful dreading of pulling this off. So my arm is super, super sensitive right in here where he did this part in my bend. So me bending and twisting is a challenge for me, so bear with me. So another thing, that's why bending straight out is going to be a challenge. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. It says Natural Life. And all right, so that's what it looks like inside. And on the card here, or the paper here, it says, this sweet bracelet is the perfect gift to give to friends and family. They are made with colorful glass and ceramic beads with a special metal charm that will help encourage you or remind somebody how special they are. The little story on the card will help you pick the right one for each person. So this says, give love, laugh. I love to laugh. Take pride in how far you have come, have faith in how far you can go, but don't forget to enjoy the journey as you go. So the whole thing has those like blue, really pretty blue beads on there. And then it does have that little saying right in the very middle that says, enjoy the journey. And this again is valued at $22. I think that's very cute. It's a nice bracelet. I'm gonna figure out who this can go to. I'm gonna think about that one. But there's that item right there. So there's number 1. So number 2, ooh, we have a Kat Von D product. And is this the perfume? Oh my gosh, it is. Kat Von D has 2 different perfumes, like one's more white and one's black. And I've always wanted to try them. And I've always wanted to order them from her site, but I'm always afraid because I read the reviews and they're like mixed. So I'm like, I don't want to pull the trigger on buying them. So this is really cool that I get it in here because now I get to try it. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. So this is the perfume that came inside, and oh, it has a spray bottle. That's awesome. This is a perfect size to put in my purse. Ooh, and that does smell good. All right. That does smell good. So I'm so glad to have that. Yay. And then here is a purple. I'm not too hip into purple, but I'm so glad because I do have the Lolita one, which I love. It's like my favorite. And sometimes I do purple looks. So I'm actually excited to have another one of her lipsticks. Let's see. Ooh, this is going to be it. Ooh, that is a dark purple. That's a dark purple. But I'm so glad to put this in my collection because there will come a time where I'm going to do a purple look and I'm going to put this purple on for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Now, this particular item right here says Kat Von D Sinner Lipstick and Fragrance Travel Duo Set, $25. Unleash your inner sinner with the ultimate fragrance and lipstick power duo. The Midnight Plum Shade Sinner perfectly captures the sultry essence of the fragrance, and you can only get it in this limited edition set. That's really cool. I go to smell that. No, my wrist. That smells really good. I like that. All right, so I'm so happy on that one. Now we have is a Smashbox lid primer in light. Photo finish lid primer. That's really neat. I've never tried, I don't normally use primer, and I know everybody says that I should. I just don't. So I'm actually going to try this out and see how it works. I'm afraid that my eyeshadow won't sit right or blend right, or I don't know, but this is very creamy and it's right there. Kind of looks like a concealer, but it's an eye primer. So, and it's Smashbox, so that's awesome. So I'll definitely try that out and see how I like that. But this particular item right here says Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer, $21. And it says, this shadow enhances lid primer instantly, intensifies color while keeping shadow locked in place and looking freshly applied for 8 hours. This primer will help your eyeshadow stay perfectly in place and help the colors pop. Again, I'm sorry, at my reach, I'm a little limited. So I'm doing the best that I can. Okay, you guys, so next in here we have is from Bare Minerals, and it says Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. And I don't have much from Bare Minerals. It looks like there's a matte and a glow in there. This is Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo, $32. 2 distinctive finishes give your complexion an effortless, fresh, not flat look. Matte absorbs oil and is the perfect setting powder, while glow infuses the red gold pearls, adds sheer luminous for highlighting and strobing. Developed to instantly vanish on all skin tones, these advanced blurring powders diffuse the look of pores and imperfections. These feel weird, like that's straight powder. So I'm not even really gonna be able to like swatch it much because it is a powder. A matte and a glow. Have you guys ever used anything like this before? I don't even use setting powders. I don't even know where to begin with the setting powder. But now I have one that I can definitely try out. But again, this is $32. Holy moly. Next we have, okay, so I'm gonna be putting this in a future giveaway because I already have this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit highlighting palette. We got this in Allure last month. Yes, last month. So I just received this last month in another unboxing. So this one I will go ahead and set aside for a future giveaway. But there's that, and it is gorgeous. I know that's not too cheap. What is that one? That is Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Child Glow Kit is $40. So there's that. Next we have is a Style Icons Charlie, New York. And there's the box. There's like a barcode, but there's not a price on that or anything. And then, oh, okay, we have some pearls. Those are not my style. What does it say? Inspired by the style of Jacqueline Kennedy. Okay, so they're supposed to look like that. I mean, those are very, very pretty. That even reminds me of like a Marilyn Monroe type of a thing, which I love her. It's just, I'm not too hip on pearls. I'm not a pearly person. So I will definitely put these aside for a future giveaway, but they're very pretty. And I'm sure somebody out there would love them. Is it just, yes, it's a necklace. Oh, and there's even like a little bag back there, like I guess to keep it in afterwards. Everything is all protected, but it does look like it's a small, almost like a choker style necklace with the matching earrings. So this will definitely go to somebody, hopefully that would really enjoy it. So here is a set of pearl necklace and earrings, and this is $55. Holy moly. And it says, Jacqueline Kennedy was an icon symbol of style and glamour. Treasure this symbolic piece of jewelry inspired by the triple strand necklace that Jackie Kennedy wore. The double row choker features 12mm hand polished glass pearls with an easy to use silver plated hook closure. Comes with a pair of matching 8mm pearl stud earrings. So $55. That is a lot, you guys. Now it looks like we have a clothing item, and let's see here. This is by Zenobia. I'm not quite sure, but that's the tag. Zenobia. And ooh. And it has like, it's like an off the shoulder that looks like, yes, look. Okay. So it looks like it's an off the shoulder shirt with like, look at these little flowers on here. I don't know how this is gonna look on because I don't wear strapless bras, but I'm going to try this on somehow because I think that is going to look so cute. Oh my gosh, that shirt looks adorable. So it has like the little like spaghetti strap things here, and that's supposed to go over the shoulder. But look at the little flowers on there, you guys. And it's around the whole back too. That is adorable. That is so cute. So that is Zenobia black top, $30. Every closet needs a black top. Mine's full of them. This top is perfect for every day, or you can pair it with some lovely accessories and a nice night out. You might notice we gave you a larger size. They tend to run a size small, so we recommend going up a size for a perfect fit. So I do appreciate that. They go by the profile, but since they know this specific clothing item runs a little smaller, they went up a size to help us out. So we're not getting our normal size and it's not gonna fit. I greatly, greatly appreciate that. So thank you guys. If you're watching my video, thank you for taking the time to even consider that and send me a size that would fit in. I greatly appreciate that. I must say, I'm totally loving this shirt. Like, I'm not used to having my bra straps off my shoulder, but I love this shirt. It shows all my tattoos on the top that normally nobody gets to see. And this is just so cute. I love this shirt. I'm so glad they went up a size, because if it was smaller, probably wouldn't have fit me. So I do appreciate that they took that extra step and they made sure that they sent an extra size because of that. So thank you guys so much. This is so beautiful. I love it. Now there's one item left in here, you guys, and it's in this bag right here. This says Umberto. Beverly Hills Volume Boosting Foam. Adds body, fullness, and shine. Have you guys heard of this product before? This right here says it's valued at $35. This Umberto Volume Boosting Foam is an alcohol-free liquid formula that transforms into a lightweight foam to aid volume and fullness to your hair. This volume boosting foam conditions and leaves hair static free. Great for achieving lift and volume when blow drying. Umberto is one of the best salons in Beverly Hills, and they make some of the most amazing products to help keep your hair in great shape. Wow. And this guy right here is $35. Holy moly. So adding up my total box is going to be right here. And again, they did add in a few extra items because of the situation last month. I greatly do appreciate it. They were only supposed to put in 2 extra items. And if there is 4 to 5, let's just say 5, 6, 7, 8, they put in 3. So I did get an extra item. So I do appreciate that. So thank you so much for rectifying this, making this right, and sending me new products. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. We have this volumizing foam for your hair. We have this really pretty, beautiful pearl set that I'm hoping somebody out there is going to truly love. It's just I'm not a pearl person. We have the Anastasia Glow Kit, the Glow Highlighting Kit. We have this Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder, the Smashbox Lid Primer, the Kat Von D Sinner with the perfume and the lip product. And I almost bought one of these, you guys, and I didn't. And then we have this really, really cute shirt that they took the extra time to consider that it runs smaller. And then this amazing bracelet that you can keep for yourself or gift to somebody. And that is amazing. So I can't wait to see what next month brings so we can go back to seeing just a normal, regular unboxing without the extra additives because of last month. And then at that point, we can decide, do I do another 3 months? So far, their customer service is spot on. And yeah. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Again, I know there's a few extra items because of that situation. So I can't wait until next month. If you guys want to check them out, I do have a link down below and you can definitely check them out. And my code Crafty will save you 10% off, which that is amazing that they generated my own code, even though I am paying for the subscription to help save you guys money. I love when companies do that. So Crafty will get you 10% off. This box, if you do month to month, it's $45. If you do, and it's free shipping. You can cancel it anytime. You receive up to $150 in value every month for the 4 to 5 items that you will be receiving. And again, it's free shipping. If you prepay for 3 months in advance, like I did, you save $6. So it brings it to $129 for the 3 months, again, free shipping. If you do 6 months, you save $18. It brings it to $252. And if you do a whole entire year, you save $60. So it'd be $480 for a complete year of 12 full boxes. So definitely comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? I'm loving it so far. I can't wait until next month. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do another 3 months so I can see a full 6 months of this company, because so far they are doing really good. And again, their customer service is phenomenal. And I just want to keep seeing what they can do. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Oh, sorry. One of my subscribers out there, I think it's Heidi007. If you're watching this, can you please email me? My email address is down below in the description box. Girl, every message you leave me on my videos, I'm writing back to you saying, can you please message me? Can you please message me? Can you email me? Can you email me? And I don't think you're getting the notification. So Heidi007, please send me an email, girl. I need to talk to you. I have something I want to tell you. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. Crafty out.